nobody is there. I don't know why, but nobody is here. Hello everyone. Okay, let's read my devotions. Author by Jesus Calling, Sarah Yang. So the date for today is December 4. Okay, I'm going to read this one to all of you guys. So Jesus always. I want you to trust me enough to relax and enjoy my presence. I did not design you to live in a state of hypervigilance, feeling and acting as if you are constantly in the midst of an emergency. Your body is wonderfully crafted to gear up with necessary and then to gear down when the crisis is over. But because you live in such a broken world, you find it difficult to let down your guard and relax. I want you to remember that I am with you all the time and that I am totally worthy of your confidence. Pour out your heart to me, committing all the things that are troubling you into my sovereign care. The most you lean on me, the more fully you can enjoy my presence. As you relax in my healing light, I shine peace into your mind and heart. Your awareness of my presence with you grows stronger, and my